I'm Sai and welcome back to my channel Sai Tech. In today's video, I'll try to talk about the installation of Gcam in the Realme X7 Max device. You can see friends, right now I'm trying to use the Realme X7 Max. So let's see how to install the Gcam in this Realme X7 Max device. This is a question which was asked by plenty of subscribers. Can you please post a video on this Gcam, how to install in this phone? That is what I'm going to show you right now. So first thing is you need to join in my Telegram group, friends. In the Telegram group, I'll try to post the APK file directly for the Realme X7 Max. So try to join in my Telegram group. You can find the search bar. So just type in the Telegram search as a Sai Tech Guru YT. You will get my channel. So make sure to join there and you can download the direct APK from there as well. Let me just show you the exact version of this Gcam what I'm trying to use in this phone, so which is of 8.1.101. as you can see. This is the exact version which I'm trying to use right now in this video. Let me just show you a couple of samples. I'll try to even show you, friends. And sometimes what is the problem is that this Gcam, it's kind of some kind of laggy. As you can see, it's not that smooth. There are three problems. So it's not that smooth, and next you cannot use a wide angle lens, and third, sometimes the camera applications will close. Yes, sometimes it will definitely close. So let me show you. So right now it's kind of working fine, but sometimes all of a sudden the applications will get closed. So I'm not sure with the recent software update or what is causing that kind of problem. So in the Realme X7 Max, because after the recent software update, plenty of users, they are experiencing this kind of app closing issues as well. But before also I did have this kind of problem in the Gcam in this phone particularly. So the main thing is that using the Gcam and without Gcam, there is not much difference you can actually see in this phone particular, friend. That is the one thing which you need to know. Right now, as you can see, I'm trying to take the same shot. So this is a shot which I taken using the default camera, and this is a shot which I taken with the Gcam website, as you can see. So only in the some scenarios you might be able to feel that kind of difference between using the Gcam and this normal camera. Let me open the Gcam right now and show you what are the different modes you can get here. So there's a night mode as well. Even the night mode works perfectly fine without any issues. So if you try to tap on that one button, you'll get this kind of different option, which is astro photography and timer and ratio. All the different options you can actually select from. Next is the portrait mode option is also there. And in the portrait mode, let's see whether I can detect this kind of plant or not. That's good. I think this is oh, that's the brightness. As you can see, you can increase and decrease everything, as you can see. That's another thing. Even you can increase and keep it locked. So that's locked exactly, as you can see, friends. And you can unlock and you can move it. As you can see, that's a kind of usefulness for this one. That's fantastic. And this is the exact image which you are taken just now, which is not bad at all. Next, let's move to the video camera. So in terms of the video camera, you do have the slow motion up to 1/8x and 1/4x slow motion. These are normal, and 2x and 1x zooming capabilities, as you can see, friends, clearly. And you do have the option of stabilization as well, video stabilization. How do you want? You want a cinematic stabilization or normal stabilization? There's another settings you do have here, as you can see. This is the options you can actually use from in case if you are looking after the stabilization as well. So these are more options which you are having, panorama and the photosphere options as well in this phone particularly. So right now I just want to compare the Gcam's night mode, how effective it can be there. That is what I'm going to show you right now. Right now I'm trying to use the Gcam only at this point, as you can see, friends, clearly. So sometimes, as I said, the application will close sometimes. Let me open it again. This is a Gcam, and let me take a shot right now. It's kind of taking, as you can see. Right now it's loading and it's done. It's done. And this exact shot which I got using the Gcam. Perfect. As you can see, friends, clearly. This is the clarity and everything. In the background there is no light at all. And now let me try to take using the normal camera. This is a normal camera I'm trying to use. Let's see what will the normal camera comes. How much clarity this can actually bring it in. That is what I'm going to show you right now. As you can see, friends, this is the normal and this is Gcam. Normal and Gcam. So there is not much difference you can actually see, friends, at this point using the Gcam and the normal in this in the Realme X7 Max at this point. So in case if you have any other queries, so make sure to comment below, and I'll definitely try to put this exact APK in my Telegram group application for the Realme X7 Max users. So stay tuned for the Telegram, friends, and thank you for watching this video. And definitely, in case if I find any other APK for the stable APK, I mean, so where you can actually use a ultra wide lens as well, that is what I'm going to see, and not any kind of app closing issues as well. I'll try to find that kind of application particularly. And thank you for watching, and see you in the next video, friends. Until then, stay tuned for more updates. Bye.